Hello guys, Joe with Smokin Joe's Barbecue. Today I'm going to make some delicious corned beef hash and eggs, so stay tuned.
Hello guys, Joe with Smokin Joe's Barbecue here. Look at that. Look at these pork bands, guys.
Alright guys, welcome back. So as I mentioned in my introduction, I am going to make some corned beef hash and eggs, and I love corned beef. Obviously it's a breakfast item, but it's so hearty that we're actually going to have it for dinner tonight. So I'm going to go over the ingredients, very simple ingredients. I got one bell pepper that I chopped up. I got a medium onion that I chopped up as well. And I got some green onions. I've got 4 eggs that we're going to use. I got some potatoes. I got about two large potatoes, and we chopped them up. Now what you want to do is you want to rinse these in water thoroughly to get the majority of the starch off. That way your potatoes don't stick to the pan. And then I've got my corned beef that I smoked the other day. Technically it's pastrami now, but it did start off as corned beef, and I'm going to use that to make my corned beef hash today. Guys, I'm going to again cook this on a cast iron skillet, so I'm going to get you guys close to the stove and show you guys how it's going to come together, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back at the stove. So to start, I got my 12-inch cast iron skillet. Just going to put some olive oil, put enough to coat the bottom, just like so. And make sure the entire pan gets coated. And then I drained my potatoes, drained the majority of the water. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. Okay, so I'm going to let these cook for probably 10 minutes or so. And again, I'm cooking these on low. You don't want to cook them too high because they will stick to the pan. So we'll check in about 10 minutes. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back. It's been about 10 minutes and the potatoes are almost translucent. So at this point, I'm going to add a little bit more of the Victory Lane beef rub and seasoning. I'm not going to add any salt because the corned beef already is pretty salty. So just a little bit more beef rub. It's got some good pepper, some other spices on it. Oh man, it smells good. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and put my bell peppers in. Again, I got one bell pepper. And then half of an onion. Okay. Get it all mixed in there. And we'll be back in about another 10 minutes, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back, and the bell peppers and onions have been cooking for about 10 minutes now, so I'm going to go ahead and put my corned beef in here and go ahead and mix it all up. Give it a good mixing and let the corned beef cook down a little bit. Get it all nice and warm. So I'll bring you guys back, maybe 5 minutes or so. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So our corned beef hash and eggs is ready. Fried up a couple of eggs, put them on my plate, toasted some bread as well. And again, we're just going to top this with some green onions. Just put it on the top like that. Just like that. We're going to slice into this egg here. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. That is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we're going to back the camera up, guys, and I'm going to give this a taste test, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we are ready to give this corned beef hash and eggs a taste. And look at this, guys. You guys have got to try it. It smells amazing. It smells like breakfast in this house. So the egg is over medium. The potatoes started to get a little bit brown as well. Oh yeah. You know, believe it or not, the corned beef is not as salty since I didn't add any salt to the potatoes. It's actually really, really good. It's almost like some of the salt got off of the corned beef and onto the potatoes, which is what I wanted to do, and that's why I didn't add any salt. Oh, it's perfect. Guys, give this a shot. Again, this Victory Lane beef rub is amazing. I just sprinkled that into the potatoes, didn't add any salt. You guys have got to try this corned beef hash and eggs. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them below. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See you guys.